So yet another successful Jamaican contingent is back home from yet another successful Carifta Games. Congratulations to Jamaica and blah, blah, blah. But I want to go to that injury to Bouwahjgie in Nkrumie. This is a long-held principled position that a certain caliber of Jamaican junior athlete with a certain level of experience and exposure don't need to go to the Carifta Games. Bouwahjgie and Nkrumie fits that bill. World Under-20 silver medalist, outgoing senior, just ran 9.99, set to become a full-fledged professional. He has been there and done that at the Carifta level. It was never worth the risk going to the Bahamas in less than ideal conditions to compete against schoolboys from Bahamas and St. Kitts and St. Lucia and Grenada. Nkrumie's focus should have been getting his pro career started, prepare mentally and physically to make the senior Jamaican sprint squad for the senior world championships in Hungary, instead of taking the risk of going to the Carifta Games and getting injured. And this is not Maverick doing Monday morning quarterbacking. This is the Maverick doing Tuesday evening talking.